worst feeling as a founder is having a brilliant startup idea, but realizing it will probably die in your Notes app. Why? Because you either need to spend months learning to code, or spend tens of thousands of dollars hiring a development team. I know that frustration very well. You've got the vision, the plan, and the passion, but the technical barrier feels impossible. Now imagine this. What if you could build your app simply by describing it? No coding. Just type your idea, and AI builds it for you in minutes. That's exactly what rocket.new does. It's like having your own personal development team, powered by AI. And in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to build a complete mobile app with rocket.new, test it, connect it to real data, and even prepare it for publishing. All right, let's get started. First, go to rocket.new, or click in the link in description to go straight to the official website. Create an account, and you will get free 1 millionth token you can use to build your first app. On the homepage, you'll see a simple text box where you describe the app you want to build. In my last video, I showed you how to build web apps with Rocket, but today we're focusing on mobile apps. Now describe your app's purpose, its users, and the features you want. Once you're ready, click the send button, and Rocket will immediately start building your app. Your prompt should be detailed. The more information you provide about your app's purpose, its users, and its features, the better the AI will understand what you want. Now click on send button, and it will begin building your mobile app immediately. As you can see, the AI has already started working. Now, after you click on send button, AI will go ahead and start building your app. It understands your request clearly. You'll notice Rocket uses Flutter, which is one of the best frameworks for creating mobile apps that run on both Android and iPhone. Rocket begins by setting up the context and generating the foundation of your project. Next, the AI asks us to choose the screens we want to include. This is where Rocket is different from other tools. Instead of guessing, it detects the screens your app might need and lets you decide which ones to add. For this app, I'm selecting all the screens because I want the complete version of the app. Now Rocket is starting to build our mobile app. As you can see, it's writing all the code in real time. And the best part? You don't need to know how to code or worry about what's happening behind the scenes. The AI is doing everything for you. If you want to, you can click on the code button to watch the code being generated in real time. But again, this is optional. You don't need to touch the code unless you want to customize it. Once the AI finishes, you'll be able to preview your app. At first, there's no preview because the build is still running. Depending on your app's complexity, this can take a few minutes. In most cases, it only takes 3 to 5 minutes, even though it may say 20. Another thing you should know is that Rocket also provides templates. Just like I showed in my last video, you can use templates for mobile apps too. Templates help you save tokens and speed up the process, while still allowing full customization. Now the AI is completing all the screens. On the left panel, you can see everything it's building step by step. And now the AI has finished building our app. In the preview panel, you can see the mobile app that Rocket has created. To test it, Rocket gives us demo login credentials, an email and password. Let's enter those details and log in. And just like that, we're inside the app. I'm honestly amazed at how quickly this AI can generate an app with full features in one shot. As you can see, we now have screens for transactions, budgets, savings, settings, and more. When I test the app and add a transaction, choosing a category and a date, the transaction shows up in the balance feature. Keep in mind, all the data here is demo data. It's not real yet. To make the app production ready, we need to connect it to real user data. Here's how you do that. Go back to the chat box in Rocket and simply tell the AI to add real data. Rocket will then integrate a database into your app. Most of the time it uses Supabase, which is a great backend service. If you don't already have a Supabase account, go to supabase.com and create one for free. Then, create a new project and connect it to Rocket. Once Supabase is connected, it will update your app so it works with real user data instead of demo data. Now, when I create an account, the app says, account created successfully, and I'm logged in. You'll notice the balance is now at 0, which means the app is ready for live data. When I add income, for example, $4,000 as salary, the balance updates instantly. This data is also saved into Supabase in real time. When I add an expense, it's subtracted from the balance. Everything is working perfectly, just like a real finance app should. If any errors appear, it gives you an option to fix them automatically. Just click on the error message, then click Fix It, and the AI will handle the issue for you. Another great feature is design customization. You can give it a design reference from another app or upload Figma design, and the AI will style your app accordingly. This way, Your app can look modern and professional without needing to hire a designer. So let's try it out with my budget tracker app. I've prepared some screenshots of the design I want, and I'm going to upload them and ask the AI to adapt the UI. Now, let's give it a moment to work its magic. And wow, just in 2 minutes, the UI has transformed from something messy to something clean and professional. With this approach, you can build apps that not only work well, but also look great. Now, let's talk about publishing. Rocket.new allows you to test and publish your app on the web with just one click. But if you want to publish on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you'll need to download your code and build it locally. Here's the process. First, click on the code button and download your project or push it to GitHub. Then open the project in Visual Studio Code, which is a free code editor. Inside VS Code, install the dependencies and build the app. For Android, you'll generate an APK or an app bundle. If you want the full process, I give resources and description that can guide you. And finally, you'll use your developer accounts to upload these builds to the Play Store or the App Store. Once everything is approved, your app is live and ready for users. And that's it. Rocket.new just took us from idea to working mobile app in minutes. What used to take a development team months and cost tens of thousands of dollars can now be done with a single AI tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out my previous video where I showed how to build web apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.